Oh, nice. Okay.
See how they look like an eye? Kind of their defenses.
These are waiting to hatch.
Wow, those are like... That's
You can
gross.
see them moving. They're waiting to hatch.
Yeah, even these. Huh. Wow, that's cool.
Here comes a blue one.
Oh yeah, good shot.
Happy just hanging out.
Good catch. That blue one's beautiful. I wonder why some are blue and some aren't. Are they younger?
Maybe. Very cool.
Are you guys saying something? These are so cool. There's another blue one.
The butterflies.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
You're welcome.
I can't remember the name of it now.
Toucans. Oh, I love toucans. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, more. That's so cool. I love toucans.
You guys fine with me videotaping you? As long as I don't get you in the face. I'm just trying to get what I can here.
One on the back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see him.
Looks like it'd be hard to do. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Looks like it can be hard.
We got that on film. Shall we?
There's other babies over there too.
Yeah.
I was hoping to get a picture with him.
Well, I got video of it, so there's that. I gotta keep this cam away from water.
Parrot. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful.
Where is it?
Up there.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful. There's multiple. Look at the big one in the back.
Oh my.
I know. Sorry.
Big one in the back. Thing's gorgeous.
That one, did you have one of those sit on your arm? Because those would be kind of scary.
Get a good angle of the big one there. Yep, it's a big one.
We don't go through the exhibit.
There's two on there.
Oh, they're all.
Nothing over here. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. That was beautiful. Let's see. That's across the street. They go for the toucan, the parrot, the iguana. Let's stop at least.
So I'm gonna use the restroom.